What's going on, 100 Gang? It's your boy 100 Gang Nate, back outside with another video today. And today I'll be giving y'all a POV drive in our Honda Civic Type R. It's been a little minute since we did that. Oh, excuse me. But you know, if you see the boy, you know I just got that fresh cut, you know what I'm saying? And if you need a cut like that, you ever in North Carolina, Fayetteville to be exact, come to Empire Barber Studio, holla at my boy Hugo. He gonna get you right. But while that's being said, man, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like cars like these, go ahead and subscribe to the MOC. That's me, Race Car Friends, Q to Chaotic, and Blueprint 1LE. And if you need some merch, it won't hurt, go to 100gangclothing.com and get you some merch. Pick that up. And if you need a car, you need a Ram or Dodge, come see me at Fayetteville Dodge because I sell cars right now for a living. So, we outside. We got the FL5 Honda Civic Type R. It's a beautiful ride, as you know. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. And we're finna get on this road, and I'm gonna give y'all a little POV drive, and at the same time, I'm gonna let y'all know what's been going on in the life of 100 Gang Nate. Let's go. So, first things first, I don't even know if y'all can see me right now. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if y'all can see me. Hopefully this view is good. I don't know. I'll be trying to put it on. You know, I'm still trying to get used to this POV style. You know what I'm saying? Well, we're gonna do the best we can. You know what I'm saying? So, just talking to y'all, man, it's like, it's been a journey, man. I've been in North Carolina, man, and I've been out here grinding, man. I work 6 days a week from 9 to 8, pretty much, sometimes longer than that. When, you know, I sell cars, sometimes it goes longer than that. So, if y'all been wondering why the content hasn't been crazy or as consistent as it used to be, that's the reason why. But, you know, things are starting to get a little better on my end, so I'll be able to get back in my bag. You know what I mean? The Honda Civic Type R has been great, as y'all know. To me, it's the best. What can I say? How can I put this? It's the best JDM car that's out currently right now, in my opinion. I feel like it's the best, like, 4-door car with a manual with an inline 4 in it right now. That's just my opinion. Y'all get in the comments, y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. But driving the Honda Civic Type R every day, man, it's been a dream, man. What can I say? It's been nothing short of fantastic. Every day it seems like this car gets better. And when Honda was building this vehicle, they really put their foot in their mouth, or they put their foot in it, as we like to say in the South, because they just did everything right. I mean, everything's perfect. The handling is perfect, the power ratio is perfect, the weight is perfect, the ability to use it as a family vehicle is perfect. I don't really understand why they didn't put a third seat instead of a cup holder in the back seat, but they did it. And one of y'all asked me, does the car seats imprint? No, it does not. You can put the car seats and the seats back there, and then the seats will still look perfectly fine and smooth. It doesn't mess up the seats at all. I'm actually doing another video soon showing y'all how the seats actually look, you know, after you take them out. Because I got to clean this car because my kids been in here and they just been tearing it up. But to just be transparent with y'all, if you have an opportunity to get an FL5 Honda Civic Type R and it's not something that's going to take you out of your budget, or even if it's something that you feel like you got to stretch a little bit for, but you can make it, I highly advise you getting it. It's just a legendary vehicle. Race Car Friends can attest to that. It's just like when you get into other vehicles, you recognize why it's not a Honda Civic Type R. And just the performance that you get at the price point, it's crazy. And out here in Fayetteville, North Carolina, it's a huge car community. You know, it's a lot of military guys out here, so when they see this vehicle, they really appreciate the artwork of it. I have people flag me down all the time out here. In Atlanta, not so much, because you know Atlanta's more like Hellcat territory. If you got a Hellcat out there, you're seen as a millionaire, you're seen as the baller, you're seen as the best. But out here in North Carolina, even in places like Florida where Race Car Friends is at, when you had an FL5, people really respect that and they know what it is. I just can't say enough good things about it. I mean, the maintenance is great because when you buy the vehicle, Honda's gonna give you 2-3 years. I think it's 2 years. 2 years free oil changes. I mean, the gas is going. I put premium in mine, but you can't put 87. So So it's just, this car just all around the insurance. I pay $122 a month. Like, it's just perfect. Like, if you want to be fast and you want to be rare at the same time, exclusive, this car just does it all, man. It got 200 on the dash, and I feel like that surprised a lot of people, because a lot of people see the car that don't know cars. They see it and it's like, oh, it's just a Honda. But the people that know, they know that it get real in here. And if you see a laptop come out in here, you for sure getting smoked. You getting clapped up. And it's just, I just enjoy this vehicle, man. It got the red guts in it. I mean, got the charging pad, got the Android Auto, got the Apple CarPlay if you need it. I mean, the only thing we missing, I guess, it would be like heated seats and stuff like that. But I really don't care for too much stuff like that. But this car right here, just, it's a beast, man. And that's all I want to say is, like, if you got the opportunity to get one, get one. And I heard one of y'all commented, y'all said y'all like when I do the POV drive, so I'm just doing the POV. Ooh wee. But you know, 108 has been out here grinding. You know, I just recently got a house, just recently got the internet set up. Now we got to get the rest of the furniture from Atlanta, so it's just a lot of stuff going on at the same time. And I got some big news to announce to y'all, but it's not time to announce it yet. But y'all will know within the next month what's going on. And I just wanted to come get on a video real quick, you know, come spend some time with y'all, and y'all spend some time with me, and just, you know, say that I still appreciate the support. I see y'all still watching, I see y'all still subscribing. And if you're new to the channel, go subscribe. If you made it this far, go ahead and subscribe. And we're gonna do some amazing things. As soon as my schedule flattens out, we're gonna be able to do some amazing things. That's all I could say. Q the Chaotic, his page is going crazy. Race Car Friends, his page is going crazy. Blueprint, he's still doing great content as well. He's been doing some racing content as well. We just been outside, and I just feel like we're about to get greater. We're about to go into the second half of the year, and I feel like we finna turn up. The MOC is really finna show out for you guys. But thank y'all for coming with me on this ride. I ain't done being outside. We're gonna cut to the outro. Let's get it. So 100 gang, thank you for riding with me. Thank you for vibing with me. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you've been with the channel, we really appreciate it. And if you like cars like these, go ahead and subscribe to the MOC. That's me, Race Car Friends, Q the Chaotic, and Blueprint 1LE. And if you need some merch, it won't hurt, but it will help the channel. Go to 100gangclothing.com and copy some of that merch. We back outside. Yes, sir.